Hi, what's up, Dogecoin holder? Dogecoin holder, today I have a lot of good news for all of you, but I also predicate this coin. I share my opinion to sell, hold, buy, what we will need to do to get a lot of profit, my friend, in this month now. Dogecoin holder, it's a very important video for all of you now, so please must watch. My brother, in the start of this month, absolutely all coin were very badly falls down, not just unique Dogecoin, but my friends, sometimes Dogecoin will take a very huge pump. So therefore, I am really impressed and I really like Dogecoin. And this month, absolutely the moving of Dogecoin, I like it. I like it, my friend, because my brother, it's 100% clear to upcoming time Dogecoin will be completely gone in the viral now. So therefore, I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time the price will be increasing. But this is expert says, my friend. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, and expert says, my friends, to after a short fails, every coin will take a very huge jump now. So therefore, there is a chance, my friends, to Dogecoin price will also starting jumping. The price will starting increasing now. So holder, please don't do any mistake to starting selling, and my friends, please don't starting selling. I hope to in upcoming time they will give you very good profit. So please don't miss this chance and take a risk. If you starting selling, so remember, my brothers, too, you cannot get a profit. But if you are hold, so I will give you guarantee, my viewers, my subscriber, to they will completely go in the moon now. So thanks for watching, Dogecoin holder. Please do this what I tell you. I will give you 100% guarantee to you will never lose and you will get a lot of profits now. Please don't miss this chance. Allah Hafiz. See you next time. Take care.